Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a painting, and this painting is really easy for kids and adults. So this painting is like watercolor and paint and straw. So I need the Reese paint, any color straw, and a rough board with the watercolor paper and a tree drawn on it. So first I made pencil marks and then I colored it in. So let's start. I put now a color. And we might have to move it around. Now I will take yellow. Take my straw. I think I need more yellow. Now I take some pink over in here. Now I'll take my straw. Now I put more yellow water droplet. Now I will use my straw. Like this video. Hi guys, this is how my painting is like. Hope you like my video. Subscribe, like, and share, and press the bell button. Till then, bye.